Terve! New project incoming, everyone. So we sold our caravan trailer and thought that why wouldn't we like start to build our own kind of caravan van, camper van. These things, I'm not sure what's it called, but it's pretty trendy on internet currently, so why wouldn't we follow the current trends, right? So this is a project we start to do now with my wife, and it will be, I'm not sure when it will be ready, but let's try next year probably. So it's 2012 Citroen Jumper. Yeah, let's see from inside. It's not pretty. I can promise you that. It was pretty cheap, and that's something we were trying to look for, pretty cheap stuff, and we are going to build some kind of budget camper out of this. Of course we try to do our best, but let's see how it goes. It has like the Webasto thingy, it's only for the engine, so no heating for the backside. Let's see what it's been eating. Yeah, I'm standing inside here. It's the height for the backside is almost 2 meters. It's fairly good for a hobbit like us. And the width for the van is 1.8 meters. So also we can both fit like sideways there. So there will be the bed like back of the van will be the bed, and then we have probably something here and something here, and maybe the kitchen will be somewhere here. Not sure. I guess the project starts by removing the veneers from the walls and all those like mounting thingies, and with some good cleanup. We are planning to insulate the van like thoroughly. We will try to make it like it's like suitable for winter time too, because not sure whether we're gonna sell this later or how does it go, but let's see. This is not going to be the trendy great time lapse with all those flowers and beige colors and mountain views. This will be the harsh reality of building the van and going Kepperis garage style with it. Welcome to observe this crazy madness thingy. Alright, welcome to the planning station. Sorry about the background noise, it's the 3D printer. Here we have the layout for the van we are working on. So here you come in, it's the side door. We will remove the dividing wall. I'm not sure what will be here, but probably something. But here we have the kitchen, there's the sink, this bit is the refrigerator, then some sort of pantry cabinet thingy, you can pull it out and stuff like that. Then normal drawers, upper cabinets, and window of course there. We have this gas burner stove thingy which will be placed here when needed. It's not gonna be like fixed install. Then there is a couple of sofas. Both will suit up to 2 people. This is a little bit bigger, so you can relax here and watch the sceneries of stone cold Finnish nature. Yeah, this is the table. Of course we will have some sort of stand for the leg there, but the idea is that we can also create a bed out of the sofa area, so this kind of thingy. Then there will be the bed and some upper cabinets also, and the garage area will be like storage and technical stuff, electricity and water tanks and so on.
Tupakoilemaan. Sulle kävi oorassa.
Oo. Alright, the veneering is off. Fairly good looking structure here, I would say. Plenty of room for the insulation and also for the cabling and stuff like that. The middle beam will hold the bed, so we need to figure out something from there to there to hold the bed, and the upper beams will hold all the upper cabinets we decided to build there. And yes, looking good, looking good. Easy peasy. Sittenkö kamera? Just se on liian. Floor! This is a retake from Game of Thrones fan version. The van is now stripped into bare bones, so to speak. We removed the floor, veneer and also the walls. The floor was pretty difficult, it was glued in and there was some rusted bolts which need to be drilled out, but otherwise it went pretty well. Next step is to clean the floor with some soap and water, and then we can start probably making some new at the top of the old.